Thai chicken rice porridge. This is one of my go-to comfort foods, especially on a cold winter day in Idaho. I'm going to show you how to make fresh chicken stock and all the little toppings that make this Thai khao tom, as we say it. So let's get started. To get started, I'm going to make the chicken broth. I've got 2 pounds of pasture-raised chicken necks. I've also got 1 pound of pasture-raised chicken wings. And then I also had some leftover bones from pork, from my pork chops. So I threw in two of the bones from my pork chops that's pasture-raised. And I've got some spring water in here. So as this begins to simmer, you're gonna see all these impurities. And we definitely want it to be a clean broth, right? Look at all this stuff that's floating. So we're gonna skim it. I like keeping like a bowl of water here and just dumping it in there. But you definitely wanna skim before it starts to boil like crazy, because then when it boils, it may just mix all the impurities back in and not really stay floating at the top. They sell bigger skimmers. I got this one from like the Japanese market. You could definitely find them at the Asian store. So I've skimmed as much as I could. Now, if you don't have a skimmer either, you could totally use a spoon. Next, I'm going to throw in my aromatics. I've got about half an onion, 3 carrots, and 3 celeries. I totally didn't peel the carrots. You don't really have to, as long as all this is organic. So I'm gonna dump it right in. Once I've added the aromatics, I'm gonna let this gently simmer. So seeing these little bubbles come up at random intervals, that's what we want, just a gentle simmer. I'm gonna keep the lid on, but keep it ajar so steam can come out, and we're gonna leave this simmering for 1 hour. So my chicken broth is ready. I've got a bowl of rice. You can use any kind of rice you'd like. Just gonna get the broth up in here. Going to get a chicken wing. Okay, into this, I'm going to add some salt. Redmond real salt, unrefined, has amazing trace minerals. I have julienne thinly sliced ginger. And then I always love to add some lime juice. Freshly cut lime juice. And then this is totally optional, but some fried garlic. There you go. In addition to the salt, you can always do fish sauce, some thin soy sauce, some Thai thin soy sauce. Chicken wing is so tender. You could totally use any kind of cut you want, even a whole chicken. I just happen to have chicken wings. What really makes this taste Thai is actually adding some chopped cilantro in the end. Unfortunately, I don't have any cilantro, but if you can get your hands on that, that's really gonna give you that Thai flavor, and the ginger makes it so good. If you prefer a little kick, some Thai people will put just Thai chili flakes to get it more spicy. So this is my version of Thai rice porridge. I just love making chicken stock from scratch. But if you don't have time for that, you could totally use, boxed cartons of chicken stock. But you definitely get all of that collagen from the bones, the glycine. I hope you enjoy this simple Thai rice porridge recipe. If you're not subscribed to me yet, go ahead and click subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next cooking video. See you later.